You'll be struggling with hair growth, or your hair is not just leaving a position, or you're just starting your hair care journey, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply my homemade hibiscus flaxseed gel. One of my favorite natural treatments for hair growth, hydration, and overall hair length is the hibiscus flaxseed gel. So if you have been struggling with hair growth, or you need something to stop dryness and frizz, then watch this video to the end. So this gel is made by combining hibiscus leaves and flaxseed. Hibiscus helps to strengthen hair roots, it reduces shedding, it promotes new growth. While flaxseed gives the gel that is smooth and has a gel-like texture. It helps to define curls, it reduces frizz, and is also good for hair growth. So the two of them together make a nourishing treatment that is lightweight but super moisturizing. Lest I forget, I added rosemary. Rosemary is also good for stimulating hair growth. If you've been struggling and battling with hair loss, or your hair is just not passing shoulder length, then you need to try add more rosemary to whatever treatment that you might be using. So back to the flaxseed gel, I start on a damp hair so that the gel will absorb better. Then use divide my hair into sections. So I didn't divide it into several sections, but I start working in sections so that all my hair can be coated with this gel. If you apply the gel to all your hair directly, you would not get the best. So it's better for you to divide it into sections, start working in sections so that you can apply the gel. After I was done applying the gel to one side of my hair, I make sure that I braided my hair back, as this will help me to like walk with my hair properly and also prevent my hair from shrinking up after applying the gel. I also don't forget to apply to my scalp because that is where hair grows out from. So apart from the things that my hair strands will benefit from, my scalp also benefits from hair growth and itchiness. So I apply to my scalp to make the equation balanced. So what I love most about this is that it's completely natural. It does not have chemicals or parabens or silicone or any of such harsh chemicals. So I can just apply it directly and still benefit from it. And it ensures that there's less breakage. My curl stays hydrated for a longer period. For example, after I was done with all of this and I made my protective style, I did not moisturize my protective style in like almost a week because my hair was really moisturized. Because I'm using this flaxseed gel as a prepoo, I'll move on to covering my hair with a plastic bag for about 30 minutes. This is just to ensure that this gel sits in my hair and the nutrients from it are transferred to my hair properly. So once that was done, I moved on to rinsing out the gel and washing my hair. So in the next video, I'll be showing you how I went about my wash day and applied Ayurvedic herbs and stretched out my hair. So you can see the hair fully stretched out. It's not so fully stretched out, but you can see the length of my hair is actually quite long. And so yeah, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and also leave a comment. You can also share this with a friend, and if you would like me to share the full recipe for this hibiscus flaxseed gel, you can leave it in the comments. Thank you for watching.